This is a nice little project I made today. It is a brushless DC motor with 2 coils and a permanent magnet. It uses an L298 controller and an Arduino and a 9-volt battery. So it's not too reliable, but kind of works. I can sort of control the speed. There we go. Well, it sort of works. It would work better with 3 brushes, 3 coils, or even 4 coils. And the L298 controller is a little flaky, but I think it's pretty cool. I was trying to do something else, and this is what resulted from it. This was sort of like the first step to doing that, and when this didn't work so well, I gave up on the other thing, but this is it. So there you have a BLDC brushless DC motor made from an Arduino, an L298 controller, and 2 electromagnets, and a permanent magnet in the middle. This is on a needle. This is a needle. And there's a Phillips head screw and a Phillips head screw that the point of the needle goes into. And there's a little bead, a little jewelry bead on top with a hole drilled through the wood. So yeah, not my original idea, but I think this is pretty good. So let me know what you think. And give me a like, a rumble, or a subscribe.